We're at Beaver Falls, halfway between Rainier and Clastonite, Oregon.
Look at, I'm all soaked.
It's pretty cool. This is what it looks like. There's a little waterfall right there. You can see it dripping down. Forgot my gold pan. A lot of lava rock and stuff around here. Nice little place to catch crawdads and just play in the water. If you're ever out this area, check it out. One of the hidden gems of Oregon. And I know for a fact there's at least one car down there. I grew up in this area and I remember the day it happened. It's a Volkswagen Bug. Little cave right there. Might have to go check that out. Really pretty though. Happy Father's Day to all you dads. Hope you're all having a great day. Alright, I'll take another video here in a little while. Thanks for watching.